Today I'm going to show you how to grow a dahlia in a patio container. Dahlias are grown from tubers, which look a bit like this, and they are frost tender. They're sent out in early spring and for potting on and growing on in the greenhouse. If you pot them on in February, March or April, they'll soon start to grow lovely lush foliage and a good root ball in the greenhouse, and you'll be able to plant them straight out into beds or containers from late May as soon as frost has passed. But if you don't have the space to do that, or you just don't get round to it, you can plant them straight outside in mid to late May. As long as all risk of heavy frost has passed, they should be absolutely fine. They will be a bit behind the others, possibly by 6 or 7 weeks, but they'll still flower from around August right the way through till late September, early October, so still well worth growing. So I'm going to show you how to plant a dahlia straight into a patio container. When you choose a patio container for a dahlia, make sure it's a good size. This one's about 40 centimetres diameter, and it has a drainage hole at the bottom to let any water out, because they will need watering regularly. And when you choose your dahlias, make sure you choose a variety that is nice and compact. Some dahlias get very tall and in a pot they'll sway around. This variety is Dahlia Top Mix White, and that is really nice. It's quite a dwarf form actually, very compact. It should make just one tuber will be very bushy and will make a nice sort of rounded shape just above this pot here, so I think that will look really, really nice. It's perfect for a pot. So my top tip for planting large patio containers, instead of adding crocks or stones to the bottom, which will make it very heavy, which is fine if you aren't going to be moving it around very much. I like to just use upturned old plastic pots, because they still, you just turn them upside down like that and put them in the pot. They still aid drainage and stop the soil from washing out of the bottom of the pot, but they're a bit lighter as well, and also you don't need to use as much compost because they take up a little bit of space. So that's a good idea to do that. And then I've got some ordinary multi-purpose compost, and I'm going to half fill my pot with the compost. There we go. That's about half full. And to encourage maximum flowering, dahlias flower a lot anyway, but I really want to give them that extra boost and help them along, so I'm going to give them a couple of scoops of this slow release fertiliser, which will feed them slowly throughout the season. Every time we water, they'll pick up some nutrients from these little beads, and just mix that in a little bit. There we go. And so this is what the tubers look like when they arrive. This is one plant. It's quite big. It's got loads of tuberous roots which hang downwards from the central stalk. That's last year's stalk poking up. So you plant them with the tuberous roots facing downwards and the stalk upwards. And this one already has a little shoot on it. It's already started to grow, so that's a good sign. They don't always have that to start with. Depends how early you're planting them. So just position that on the top, right in the centre of my pot, and I'm going to top it up now with more compost. There we go. I'm actually going to add a little bit more slow release fertiliser to the top. There we go, mix it in. Now every time I water, those nutrients will wash down to the roots. There we go. And now all that's left to do is give it a good water. enough water to make sure that all of the compost is soaked right down to the bottom. I'd say give it a good half a canful. There we go, and I will put this straight on the patio because Whisker Frost has now passed. Foliage should start to appear within a few weeks and it will form a nice bushy habit, and it'll start flowering within a couple of months, so that's great. Also, the other thing about dahlias is they are excellent as cut flowers, so you pick them as often as you like. The more you pick, the more will grow. And also with pots, remember to keep them well watered, so water them every day when the weather is hot and sunny. Water them whenever you see the soil is dry, just give it a good soak. And you can, if you also want to encourage even more flowering, you can give them a liquid feed once every couple of weeks during the summer, during the growing season. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Enjoy your dahlias, they will look great. Thank you for watching.